Good morning, everyone, and good morning, Ma'am Matuniaya. I'm Triya Widyati for class 3F. I want to present about final project proposal. The title is Analyzing of Inventory Management Using Economical Order Quantity or ELK method at CVX. Okay, for the first, I will tell you about the background. Current technological developments have pushed the trading sectors to manage inventory more effectively to achieve maximum profit. CVX, a furniture company with an annual turnover of 15 billion to 40 billion, still face challenge in the stock management. So far, the company has not calculated ordering and storage costs in detail, making it difficult to determine if their spending is efficient or leading to losses. And then for the next slide is a statement of problem. CVX is currently facing issues with its inventory management. Poor management has led to high inventory costs, specifically in storage and ordering expenses. Based on this situation, the research problems are formulated as follows. For the first is, what is the current state of inventory management at CVX? What is the optimal order quantity for CVX raw material when calculated using the economical order quantity method? How does CVX current inventory management compare to the results of the company's economical order quantities or ELK method? Okay, for the next is objective of the research. Based on the research problems stated above, the objective of this study are for the first is to calculate the current inventory level and cost using the system currently implemented by CVX. The next is to compare CVX current inventory cost calculation with the result obtained using the economical order quantity or ELK method. And the last is to determine the optimal economical order quantity based on ordering cost, storage cost, and annual sales volume using the economical order quantity or ELK method at CVX. The next slide, I will tell you about benefit of the research. The benefit of this research are as follows. For the first is to provide deeper knowledge and insight regarding effective and efficient inventory management using the economical order quantity or ELK method. The next is to serve as a reference for future research interest in studying inventory management using the economical order quantity or ELK method. And the last is to provide valuable recommendation for the company in managing their inventory more effectively and efficiently in the future. The next slide, I will tell you about definition of inventory. According to Kiso et al. 2018, 499, inventories are asset items held by a company for sale in the ordinary course of business, or goods that will be used or consumed in the production of goods to be sold. Furthermore, according to the Institute of Indonesian Chartered Accountant or AIA, in PSAK number 14 2018, inventories are assets that are for the first is held for sale in the ordinary course of business. The next is in the process of production for such sales. And the last in the form of materials or supplies to be consumed in the production process and the rendering of service. Therefore, inventory is an asset that is consistently used in the company production process. The next slide is types of inventory. The types of inventory there are three. For the first is raw material inventory. Raw material can be obtained from natural source purchased from supplies or production internally by the company for use in the future production. The next is purchase parts or component inventory. These are items consisting of the components obtained from other companies that can be directly assembled into a finished product. And the last is surplus inventory or factory surplus. These are items required for the production process but do not become a physical part of the finished product. The next slide is factors that influence inventory. I have 10 factors that influence inventory. There are first, usage forecast. A company must estimate its inventory usage to predict the amount of stock that they need to be purchased. The next is inventory price. The company must monitor the cost of the inventory. If the price is too high, it will significantly impact the amount of capital required. The next is inventory cost. In maintaining inventory, a company insures various costs, primarily storage or holding costs and ordering costs. The next is financing policy. A company's financial or spending policy directly affects its purchasing decision and strategies. The next is historical usage data. Actual usage from previous periods is analyzed to prevent overstocking. Past consumption reports serve as a kit for future inventory needs. The next is lead time. Lead time is the waiting period from the moment an order is placed until the goods arrive at the company. This must be calculated accurately to avoid operational risk. The next is purchasing model. The model chosen by a company determines the size of the inventory in maintenance. Different purchasing models will result in different optimal purchase quantities. The next is reordering. Companies perform period repurchasing to maintain operation. This purchase must consider lead times to ensure that new stock arrives actually when needed. And the last is safety stock. Safety stock ensures that the production process runs smoothly without the risk of running out of raw materials or stock out. The next slide is inventory management method. There are several methods can be used in inventory management. For the first is economic order quantity or EOQ. According to Heiser and Render 2017 561, the basic economical order quantity or EOQ model is one of the most commonly used inventory control technique. This technique is relatively easy to use, but it is based on several specific assumptions. For the next is just-in-time or GIT. According to Siregar et al. 2013, 449, GIT is a manufacturing approach that the product goods based on actual demand rather than producing or a fixed schedule based on demand projection. The next is material requirement planning or MRP. Material Requirement Planning or MRP method is a dependent demand technique that uses a bill of materials, inventory records, expected receipt, and master production schedule to determine material requirement by Hazer and Render 2017 641. The next slide is inventory calculation method. According to Henry 2016-79, there are three well-known accounting methods used to calculate the value of ending inventory. The first is first in, first out or FIFO method. This method assumes that the cost of the goods purchased first is the first to be recognized as the cost of goods sold. Consequently, the value of the ending inventory is based on the cost of the most recently purchased item. The next is last in, first out or LIFO method. Under the LIFO method, the cost of the goods purchased last is recognized first as the cost of goods sold. The ending inventory value is derived from the earliest purchase price. This method typically results in the lowest ending inventory value, the highest cost of goods sold, and the lowest net profit. The next is average cost method. This method calculates the cost of goods sold per unit based on the average cost of all goods available for sale. The resulting value from this calculation usually falls between the values production by the FIFO and LIFO method. The next slide is definition of economical order quantity or EOQ method. According to Part D 20 and 5, 134, EOQ is the quantity of goods that must be ordered to keep the total inventory cost as low as possible. Meanwhile, according to Fahmi 20 and 16, 120, EOQ is a mathematical method used to determine the number of goods to be ordered to meet project demand while minimizing inventory costs. And then the formula for this method is like that. So, for the description is R quantities required over a specific period or annual demand, S cost per order or ordering cost, P price per unit or unit cost, and E inventory carrying cost or holding cost by percentage. In addition, there are variable costs that must be considered as they influence the inventory level used in decision making. Holding costs or carrying costs. Carrying costs are the expenses a company must bear in connection with storing raw materials. The formula for holding costs is defined by the following equation by G. Hazer and Render 20 and 16. And then the formula is for carrying costs is like that. The next is ordering costs. Ordering costs are expenses directly related to the purchasing activities carried out by a company. The equation from ordering costs follow the formula provided by Hazer and Render 20 and 16. The formula is like that. The next slide is a graphic for economical order quantity. The graphic like that. Okay, for the next slide, I will tell you about Elki method assumption. I have a 10 Elki method assumption. For the first is single item. The next is deterministic and constant demand, constant lead time, instantaneous receipt, no back orders, fixed cost structures, sufficient capacity and capital, no quantity discount, variable cost, and stock out avoidance. The next slide, I will tell you about definition and classification of methodology. According to Sugiono 20 and 16, 2, research methodology is a scientific way to obtain data for specific goals and purpose. Research methodology is essential in a study because it provides systematic procedure that serve as a guideline, ensuring the research is well structured, and then the data is used in this proposal are categories based on their search and nature. For the first is database search. Data is classified into two categories based on its search. For the first is primary data. Primary data is original data collected directly by the research to address a specific research problem. Based Isti Chandra in Sunyoto 2016-21. The next is secondary data. According to Sunyoto 2016-21, secondary data is a data source from existing companies' record and other sources, such as relevant books or publication from the General Bureau of Statistics or BPS. Data by nature. Based on this nature, data is classified into two types. For the first is quantitative data. According to Pasaribu et al. 2022-113, quantitative data is a data in the form of the numbers that have clear value and can be measured. And then the last is qualitative data. Bungin 2013-124 states the qualitative data is data expressed in the form of sentence and description and can also be in the form of search stories. The next is method of collecting data. I have a three method of collecting data. For the first is literature review. Literature review is according to Sugiana. Literature is a study of the theories and other reference related to the culture, value, and norms that exist within the social situation being researched. The next is interview method. Interview method can be used as a data collection technique when a research needs to conduct a preliminary study to identify the problems that should be investigated. The next is observation method. State that observation is a data collection method that utilises the five sentences to obtain the information required for research. The next is data weighting method. One the first is exposition method. An expository paragraph explains an object as clearly as possible. In this research, the expository method is used to present the result of the inventory management analysis at CVX. The next is description method. State that a descriptive paragraph describes objects, events, situation, and people. The descriptive method is used in this research to outline the general preview of the history and organizational structures. And then the next is data analyzing method. In this study, the analytical method used is descriptive analysis. This involves calculating the economical order quantity to determine the most economical order size and comparing CVX current inventory management with the management result using the ELK method. The analysis stage are as follows. For the first is calculate the annual ordering and storage cost. The next is determine and calculate the optimal inventory level for 1 year. The next is determine and calculating the order point. The next is calculate the total inventory cost. And the last is draw a conclusion by comparing CVX current inventory management with the inventory management using the economical order quantity or ELK method. So, this is my presentation. I hope you can study for my presentation. See you next time and bye.